First open your web browser. Now in your search bar type vscode and press enter. Here click on the first link you see. Now click on .deb, and your file will start downloading. Now open your terminal. Now type cd downloads. Now type dpkg-i code and press tab to autocomplete. As soon as you press enter, it will start downloading VS Code. Now close your terminal. Now in your search menu, if you type code, you will see VS Code. Here, if you use your root account, you will see a warning message saying it is not recommended to run code as root user, but it won't cause any problem though.